Take the next one. In it, we have to find the resultant. Here also angles are given with horizontal line. First force is making 30 degrees and next force is making 120 degrees and the 30 Newton force is making 210 degrees. Okay. We need how to find the resultant force at A point, because at A all forces are acting. Now here I will redraw the diagram. In it I will take all the angles are horizontal as we did previously. Just do the same diagram. Here 10 Newton force, how much it is making? 30 degrees. And next is in the second coordinate, so it is 20 newtons. Now here the angle is, take with horizontal always, as I told previously also. It is with this line, it is 120, but it is in the second cube. Now take the angle with horizontal in the second cube. This angle will take down. So as we know, at this line, if any line, okay, this angle is 180. Okay, so total is 180 minus 120 will give this angle. Okay, so 180 minus 120 means it is 60 degrees. Now I can take this 60 degrees here. So remember, the position of the angle is always, if the force is in the first coordinate, take the angle with horizontal in this line with the horizontal. If the force is in the second coordinate means take the horizontal angle like this. And third force is 30 newtons. Now this is the third force, 30 newtons. It is making total 210 degrees. It is in the third coordinate. Now we have to take the angle this one. Okay. So how to get 210 minus 180? This angle is 180. So 210 minus 180 is equal to, we'll get this angle is 30 degrees. Okay. So this is the given diagram. What we did means we are taking the horizontal angles. If it is in the first cube, we are taking this horizontal angle. If it is in the second coordinate, this angle. If it is in the third one means we have to take this angle. If the given force is here means take this angle. Okay. Always remember angles with horizontal we have to consider. Do the resolution of forces diagram. Okay. So in it, what is the first component? 10 cos 30. As I told previously, horizontal component is cos, vertical component is sine. It is in the first cube, that's why x and y are positive and positive. X is in this direction, y is in this direction. 10 cos 30 and sine is 10 sine 30. And next force is 20 newtons. It is in the second coordinate. Horizontal component is negative in this direction. Vertical is upward. Okay, x value is negative, y value is positive. What is the horizontal component? Cos will come 20 cos 60. 20 cos 60. Vertical is positive, 20 sine 60. 20 sine 60. For this force, both horizontal and vertical are negative. 30 cos 30. 30 cos 30. Vertical is downward, 30 sine 30. 30 sine 30. So in it also we have to find resultant force at A point. Because of all this inclined component, we need to find sigma FH value, means sum of all horizontal forces. So for this direction I am taking positive, for this direction I am taking negative. So what are the positive forces? Only one, 10 cos 30. What are the horizontal forces in this direction? 20 cos 60 with minus 30 cos 30. So do with this value. Next value is sigma FV we need to calculate. Now calculate sigma FV. Upward forces I am taking positive, downward forces negative. What are the upward forces? 10 sine 30, 20 sine 60. Downward is 30 sine 30. Here I have written 10 sine 30 plus 20 sine 60 minus 30 sine 30. So the value will be 7.32 newtons. Positive means it is upward. Okay. So this is the vertical component. We got these values. Sigma FH is negative, sigma F is positive. So where horizontal component is negative and the vertical component is positive, in which quadrant? So we can take in the second one. Okay, because we got sigma FH is minus 27.3. Instead of minus, I am taking sigma FH value here. How much it is? 27.3 newtons. What is sigma FE value? 7.32. Sigma FE it is. Now resultant is, or So I have calculated sigma fh square plus sigma fe square. It is right angle triangle. Now how much angle it is making means tan inverse of phi is equal to, as we have discussed, tan phi is equal to this value divided by this value. So phi is equal to tan inverse of 7.32 divided by 27.3. We'll get the angle 15 degrees. Here no need to take this sigma fh is negative here, because already we did the diagram according to the negative sign sigma fh value. So here not necessary to take minus. We'll get 15 degrees. So resultant is making 15 degrees with the horizontal. Resultant is acting in the second coordinate. Okay, according to these two components. So this is the process of finding the resultant. Here we have to write down resolution of forces diagram. So in all diagrams it is very important. So according to this our solution will come correct or wrong. We can decide easily. So in each and every diagram resolution of forces diagram is very important.